I started when I was 22. In fact, my first year of international was when I was 22 years old, and this was after I finished my engineering. Made to the Indian team first at that age, and then I had my ups and downs simply because I was not the usual badminton player who built his career from a young age. So fitness was one main issue for me, and I started working really hard on it at a little later stage in my career. So that is how my career has been, a little late in everything, and I would assume that I got my results also late. One surely is the German Open win because it is a very, very big event in the world circuit, and I was fortunate that I got my A game at that week of the year, and I did really well. The other important moment for me was to win the national championship 2 times, one in 2009 and one in 2011. I think these three events stand out for me very, very well. It's a normal transition for any one of us. Of course, I'm an engineer. I could have worked as an engineer, but that was not really my interest at all. I continue doing what I do. I love to travel. I love to meet new people. I love new assignments in badminton. I love to coach. I love to give training to people. So this is something which is a natural transition for me, and luckily we have me and my friends started this together, and you know where it is. No, it's definitely there. See, for example, let's take case by case, right? Srikanth, he's been world number one. He's been going through a bad patch, but it certainly doesn't mean that it's done and dusted because he's only 27 years. I totally believe that Srikanth has another 5 good years of badminton. If actually more, but I'm just saying 5 good, very good years of badminton, and then it depends on how he'll maintain it. It could even potentially be 8-9 years. So we can't rule one Srikanth out or a Pranay out or somebody in the age group of 27, 28. We can't rule them out. They have been there, done it. Same with the case of Sindhu, for example. She's down now after the World Championship, but that's fine. I mean, players go up and down, yeah. For example, Federer had a down of 5 years, not just 1 year, At his level, I'm talking about. It took him 5 years to win that Grand Slam, right? Happens with top players. They come to terms with it, they work hard, they get back. But same might not be the case with Saina, for example, because she's hitting 30, Kashyap 32. They have a good 3-4 years and never know what they are thinking. And how they feel. But the young ones, we just can't rule them out so easily, including Saina. I would not say she's yet old to say she's done. You never know. 6 months, she might take a break for whatever she's doing. And then suddenly the mind is fresh, body is fresh. Boom, 4 years she may do well. Yeah. That is a worrisome thing. We need to see how that can be built up. I think that is a small worry that we have. But this also, to be very positive, many countries go through this also. If you see in Indonesia, there was a lull, like Taufik Hidayat was a world champion at one point of time in 2004, 2005, and then behind him was Sony Dvikinkoro. But after that, there was a lull. There was nobody. Now Jinting has come up, Jonathan Christie has come up. So there also there is up and down, So we'll also go through that ups and downs. Lakshya is doing well. I'm pretty impressed with the way he played here. I think he's improved a lot, but again, to be a top 10 material is always tough. He has to go 2 levels up. I think strong contender is still Sindhu. I think she'll be in the medal thing. I firmly believe that can happen. In the boys section, Srikanth is struggling now to even qualify. I really have my fingers crossed. I hope he qualifies because he's good still if he can get going. Sai will probably make it. And I don't know, the others are dark horses like Pranay, Kashyap. I don't know, it will be very tough for them to make it, but if they make it, well and good. At least 2 from India, if they go, it will be good. But to win a medal is tough for the men. They're still not up to it. They have to make certain. Satvik Chirag will qualify, of course, but again, to win medals, they have to make sacrifices.